this video, I'll show you how to fix in case you're having a SIM card problem with your iPhone 16, 16 Pro and Pro Max. What you need to do? Well, I'll show you 4 different solutions, so let's start with the easiest of them. If your SIM card is not working or not getting recognized by your phone, what you can do is to simply shut down your phone and power it back on again. To do this, press volume up, volume down, and keep press this power button until the screen is completely dark. Once it's dark, you can lift your finger from the power button. Let's wait a few more seconds. Here you go, I lift my finger. Now you may see the Apple logo appearing on the screen like this. It simply means that your phone is booting up back again. But if you don't see the Apple logo, don't worry. Press the power button during about 2 seconds until you see it, then lift your finger and your phone will be back running again, and hopefully this time your SIM card will get recognized by your phone. Now, what if this solution didn't work for you? Well, my second tip is to simply go over here, drag down from the top right corner, and you should see airplane mode. Maybe it's like this. You see there are small airplane there. What you need to do is to keep press on and off this mode for about a minute, maybe 40 seconds. So put it on, put it off, on, off, on, off. Do this during 40 seconds. I know it sounds stupid, but many people found out that this worked for them. And it only takes less than a minute, so why not? So do this, okay? After 40 seconds, simply turn airplane mode off. Your phone will search for any service from your SIM card, and hopefully this is the solution that you were looking for, and your phone will start working back again. Another thing that you can do is to go into the settings, then go down, general, go down, transfer or reset iPhone, reset, and now we're going to select reset network settings. This will not delete your personal photos, your apps, your accounts, nothing of that. It will simply reset everything that has to do with your carrier, your phone carrier, your Wi-Fi, and also your Bluetooth. These are the 3 different things that get resetted. So tap on reset network settings, type the password, reset network settings. By doing this, your phone will do its own thing. Don't touch it, okay? It will shut down, power on, back again. And hopefully when this is done, your phone will work and it will recognize your SIM card. And finally, if this didn't work, one thing that you need to check is in the settings. Go down, select battery. Make sure that low power mode is not turned on. If it's turned on like this, tap on it until it's grayed out so it's not on. Sometimes low power mode can affect your Wi-Fi and also your data, therefore your SIM card. I don't know how, but this is something important you need to do and try out. With low power mode off, hopefully your SIM card will work back again. So thanks for watching. If you have any other solutions, please let me know in comments down below. If one of these worked, I'm really curious, so type a comment too. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.